Positive Quotes, Part 23. I hope these quotes about positivity will help you get through anything. Stay inspired. Stay blessed, inspiring inputs. Too many people miss the silver lining because they are looking for gold. Enjoy today. Happy thoughts fill your life with happiness. Nothing positive comes from being negative all the time. Change your attitude. A positive attitude can help you to overcome all negative situations. Be positive is not my blood group, neither my grade in maths. Speaking my favorite quote, be positive. All you need in life is a can-do attitude. It is the bridge between failure and success. A bad attitude is like a flat tire. You can't go anywhere until you change it. Learning to control and adjust your attitude to a positive one reflects wisdom of the mind. Cognitive reframing is a psychological technique of identifying and replacing negative beliefs, attitudes, and ideas with the positive ones. Fill your mind with light, happiness, hope, feelings of security and strength, and soon your life will reflect these qualities. Reading a few positive thinking quotes before going to sleep at night and first thing in the morning will gradually change your mindset, transform your life, and attract good things to you. Live life to the fullest and focus on the positive. You are braver than you believe, and stronger than you seem, and smarter than you think. The only time you fail is when you fall down and stay down. To think negatively is like taking a drug that weakens you. Find a place inside where there is joy, and the joy will burn out the pain. Train your mind to think in terms of it is possible and it can be done. The more you praise and celebrate your life, the more there is in life to celebrate. Do not let circumstances influence your thoughts and moods. Choose your thoughts, and soon your life would mirror those thoughts. You can close the windows and darken your room, but you can also open the windows and let light get in. It is a matter of choice. Your mind is your room. Do you darken it or do you fill it with light? Check out. Suppose you stand at a crossroads, one way leading to a desert and the other one to lush meadows and a beautiful place. Which way would you choose? It is the same when you choose positivity or negativity. Positive thinking is like exercising a muscle. Only it gives you a mental workout. The struggle you are in today is developing the strength you need tomorrow. The sun himself is weak when he first rises and gathers strength and courage as the day gets on. Attitude can have a huge impact on one's career. Thinking positively will prepare you to respond appropriately during tiring times. The difference between can and cannot are only three letters. Three letters that determine your life's direction. The pessimist sees a difficulty in every opportunity. The optimist sees the opportunity in every difficulty. Like, share, subscribe. Thanks for watching. Please press round button and subscribe. We need your support. Your comments are welcome.